Hello and welcome to ZAPYard and ZAPcademy. We are really excited to announce our new course, SAP Generative AI with Joule and SAP Build Code. This interactive, instructor-led live training will equip all participants with the knowledge to harness the power of AI in SAP development. Learn how Joule, our AI co-pilot, streamlines coding by generating application logic, data models, and test scripts. Discover SAP Build Code, the comprehensive platform that integrates AI-powered development with programming, testing, and application lifecycle management. This course will help you explore SAP BTP platform even deeper. This training is your chance to unlock faster development cycles, reduce errors, and focus on strategic initiatives. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your approach to SAP development. Level up your SAP development skills and become an innovation leader. Join this course without any second thoughts. Whether you are an ABap developer or SAP functional or business user or end user, SAP wants to give power to everyone with Generative AI and SAP Joule. If you know nothing about SAP Cloud Platform and BTP but you still want to upskill yourself, then this is the course you should take advantage of. The best investment is investing on one's learning. We will dive deep into the future of SAP development in week 1 of our training. We will begin by unpacking the concepts of generative AI, exploring its core principles and how it revolutionizes software creation. Next, we will establish a foundation in machine learning, the driving force behind generative AI. This will be followed by understanding large language models, or popularly called LLMs, the powerful AI engines at the heart of Joule's capabilities. Week 1 will also introduce the participants to the concepts of prompts, the instructions you provide Joule to guide into code generation. We will delve into crafting effective prompts to unlock Joule's full potential. Finally, we will specifically explore SAP's role in the generative AI landscape, equipping all participants to leverage this innovative technology within the SAP landscape projects. Our training will also help understand how generative AI with human-centric approach will be a game changer in SAP consulting world. Week 2 of our training is all about putting theory into practice. We will start by mapping out the SAP application development roadmap and the essential tools that power it. Next, the participants will be introduced to SAP Build Code, the innovative platform that integrates AI-powered development into the existing workflow. We will delve into its capabilities, showcasing how it streamlines coding, testing, and application lifecycle management. Get ready to meet Joule, our AI co-pilot. This week, we'll introduce the participants to Joule's impressive functionalities and how it seamlessly integrates with SAP Build Code. To solidify our understanding, we'll compare and contrast SAP Build Apps, SAP BAS or Business Application Studio, and SAP Build Code, highlighting their unique strengths. Finally, we will guide the participant through subscribing to SAP Build Code within the free SAP BTP trial account, empowering all to start experimenting with this revolutionary technology. In week 3 of the training, we will tackle establishing the secure connection needed to leverage our AI-powered development tools. We will begin by configuring the SAP Cloud Connector, a critical component that acts as a secure tunnel between our on-premise SAP system and the cloud-based SAP Build Code platform. Next, we will guide the participants through connecting their SAP BTP sub-account, the designated workplace within the business technology platform, to the SAP Cloud Connector. Finally, we will learn how to configure our S/4HANA system within the Business Application Studio environment, ensuring seamless communication between our on-premise data and our AI co-pilot, Joule. By the end of this week, we'll have a robust foundation for deploying our newfound generative AI skills on real-world SAP projects. Week 4 of the SAP Generative AI with Joule and SAP Build Code training is all about integrating our newfound AI skills within the broader SAP Business AI landscape. We'll delve into the core principles of SAP Business AI approach, equipping all participants to leveraging AI effectively across our SAP environment. Next, we will explore the SAP BTP AI Foundation, the underlying platform that powers our AI development journey. This week, we'll also introduce the participants to the Generative AI Hub, a central repository for pre-trained AI models and tools specifically geared toward code generation. Understanding SAP AI Core and AI Launchpad is key, so we will unpack their functionalities and how they work in tandem with Joule and Build Code. We'll delve deep into the key capabilities of SAP AI Core, empowering us to unlock its full potential for building intelligent applications. Finally, To keep our participants ahead of the curve, we will explore the future roadmap of SAP AI Core, outlining upcoming features and enhancements. Wrapping up the week, we will demystify the concept of SAP AI Business Services, showcasing how they can further extend the reach of AI within our organization. Buckle up for week 5 and week 6 of this training where theory transforms into hands-on mastery. We'll delve headfirst into building our own application using SAP Build Code. Get ready to create a new project and witness Joule's power firsthand as we leverage it to generate data entities. We'll take our data a step forward, showing all participants how to refine sample data using Joule's capabilities. Next, participants will be guided through creating application logic with Joule, automating tasks and streamlining our development process. But an application isn't complete without a user interface. We will equip all participants with the skills to seamlessly add a UI to our project. The grand finale arrives as we deploy and run our own AI-powered application, experiencing the culmination of our learning journey. We will also configure the newly created AI-generated app in the SAP Work Zone. In week 7 of the SAP Generative AI with Joule and SAP Build Code training, we will put our skills to the test further with a hands-on deep dive into building an SAP Fiori freestyle application. This week is all about harnessing the combined power of Joule and SAP Build Code to create a custom user interface that perfectly aligns with our specific business needs. We will guide all participants through the intricacies of building a freestyle application within SAP Build Code, ensuring our user interface adheres to the SAP Fiori design principles for a familiar and intuitive user experience, solidifying our mastery of AI-powered development for SAP projects. Week 8 of the training throws the participants into the exciting world of building SAP Fiori Elements application with the help of AI. We will guide the participants through creating an SAP Fiori Elements application within SAP Build Code, focusing on how Joule can potentially assist in generating code for functionalities like list reports, edit forms, and data binding. By the end of this week, we will have a fully functional SAP Fiori Elements application built with the assistance of Joule for efficient SAP development. Next, we will dive into the future of mobile development with SAP. We will explore how SAP Build Code integrates with SAP Mobile Services, the cornerstone for building secure and enterprise-grade mobile applications. First, we will establish a clear understanding of mobile services, dwelling into the functionalities and how it streamlines mobile app development for SAP landscape. Next, we will unpack the concept of Mobile Development Kit or MDKs, the pre-built tools provided by SAP Mobile Service that simplifies mobile app creation for different platforms like iOS and Android. By the end of this week, we will gain valuable insights into how SAP Build Code and SAP Mobile Service work together to power us to deliver innovative and user-friendly mobile experiences. In the final week of this training, we will explore real-world business use cases showcasing how leading companies leverage SAP Build Code and Joule to achieve tangible results. This session will ignite our imagination as we discover the transformative potential of AI-powered development across various business functions. To wrap up the training, we will open the floor one last time for an interactive discussion. This is your chance to share your learning, ask questions, and network with fellow participants. We suggest all participants to come prepared to discuss their own project ideas and explore how we can leverage the power of generative AI to revolutionize their approach to SAP developments. By now, you must have realized SAP Generative AI has boundless potential. This comprehensive course will equip all participants with the skills to harness the full power of AI in SAP. This training is your chance to get ahead of the curve and unlock a new era of efficiency and productivity in your SAP projects. So register today and do not miss the bus on the future of SAP development with Generative AI. Do not think further, just enroll today. The details of the training dates and time along with the enrollment fee is provided in the description section of this video. Please note, this is weekend-only course, and if you are in Europe, Africa, or West Asia, you might not be able to join live classes. This time suits better for participants from Indian subcontinent, East Asia, Australia, New Zealand, North and South America. There will be 10 classes in total, and each class will be little over 2.5 hours. For some reasons, if you are not able to join the live classes some days, do not worry. Recordings of the class will be uploaded at our training page, and the participants will have lifetime access to those recordings. Participants will create free account on the cloud and do all hands-on on the cloud platform. In addition to that, we'll connect to the backend system from the cloud platform and perform our exercises on generative AI. If you still have any queries, questions, feel free to WhatsApp us at +1 251 727 9273 or email us at mail@zapyard@gmail.com or mail@zapyard.com. Thank you very much. Stay safe and see you live on the training day.